use this to make the stew base. That's pepper, tomatoes, ginger, and garlic. I'll add this sardine and this tomato sauce. So guys, this is cassava.
Do that first.
And ginger.
Okay, crap. Yeah. But the question we're asking is, so if you are cooking, that you are cooking for the whole house.
Look at our cheese.
That too. Hey babe, you have figured this way too. Oh God. Chef. Wow. Okay, I say we know now we are now. Yeah. Your friend was say how was it? Because like when you say my favorite, it's me by I was shocked. I wasn't expecting that. And I'm looking at you and say I have buy we know the end. Me be a silver no. I'm say we honor. It came out so perfect, like she said the other day. You know, body I have by and I said, be a normal, have by normal day. This one, I mean, say you would see some and tie it. I thought you just.
Yeah, I tie because. Maybe I'll the coin soon. I'm afraid it might. Yes.
What? What do you want?
I did it that.
Okay. I think I will Are you making Tubaani?
What are you making?
I did only that.
So I'm making Tubaani.
You're making Tubaani?
That is Nana.
Nana. Okay. Good boy. That's Ghana food, okay? In the north.
Okay. Good. Yeah, let me continue.
Thank you.
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze fills up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you
Mommy.
Yes. Want to kiss baby? Aww. Baby loves you. I can't wait for you to start seeing your baby, your junior, and then you'll be watching him or her while baby mommy and daddy is busy. And say, Caleb, is he crying?
Yeah.
Really? Is that how the baby will cry? Oh. Really?
How will you do? Just stop him or her from crying.
What? Will you give the baby milk?
Will you sing for him?
Now, but don't look at
No, bro.
Now, but don't just watch it.
How will you sing?
What are you going
Now,
to?
give us a day
You sing, Junior dear,
Oh,
Now,
face.
but don't make it get
girl, Ursula.
Come, lady. No.
Oh,
You'll be competing with me. Now I have for
no. No, I want. Oh, no. No, no. No, no.
What you're doing? Somebody who has bath. Is it fair?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
It's
It's not fair. Ghana for Mr. Vivi. I don't know. It's idea in the
Oh, I just, you know, this panel here, they call it tamala. They use this to do.
And you're corn flour, right?
Yeah. So I said no.
No, say it's a flour now. The cat is it.
Yeah. So and I said, oh, we can use that same thing. And I said, okay, mommy, bisa gogo. And me gogo say, it is I won't need leaf, and you want to make Tubaani. Can you use corn husks? What other thing can you use? And gogo suggested, oh, you can use corn husks.
Wow.
And I said, okay, I will go and try.
Wow. Now it can see, guys.
Oh
my God. I said Ghana fee. I'm on the board there, Haban, and I said Haban and Casa. Wow. This is good. Are you mixing the cassava to it a unique way? Because I'm not yet to one of a cassava and wow. This is good. Now, someone else. Is it?
Hi, here I am.
Here I am. How do you do? Yeah, I am. What do you
All thanks to you, my darling. It's because of you the clothes all flew off the rack so fast.